my friend, we met up in Glasgow, we were going to church, and before we went there, I needed some new socks. I know it's kind of annoying. I didn't have any other socks. I somehow I ran out of socks. So we needed to get some new socks. We go to this place called TK Maxx. It's some store in the UK. They sell like clothing, tons of different stuff. And after we get to the till, I scan my card. You know, it's like, what, £6? I scan my card and it gets declined. What? What declined? Declined. Sorry, I must have just used the wrong card. So I get another card, scan it. Guess what it says? Declined. It says declined. Okay. Bro, trust me. I'm like some multi-millionaire. I'm rich. There's something going on here. One sec. And my friend recommends that I insert the card. For whatever reason, this machine reader thing, for some reason it doesn't accept scanning cards. You need to insert it. Obviously it's stupid. Like who inserts cards? No one inserts cards. But I'm like, screw it, let's do it. I insert the card, type in my PIN, blah, 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 blah. Done. Declined. It gets declined again. And my friend is like making a joke of this. And we're all just kind of laughing. I'm counting my money. £200, 300. I should have enough. Yeah. And I finally get to the last card. I insert it. I forgot the pin actually, so I'm kind of just guessing. I got the pin wrong the first time, but I put in the pin again. Cool. I put in the pin. Boom, 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 boom. You were expecting me to say it got declined again, but no, it got accepted. My card got accepted. I got the socks, and they look brilliant. I actually have the receipt, which shows every single time my card got declined. So I'm hoping there's no sensitive information on it, so none of you hackers get this. But I have a receipt. I'll get an image up that shows exactly how many times it got declined. So TK Maxx, I got declined 1, 2, and all of the times where I scanned my card, it didn't count. So there you go. Like as an extra vow of proof. As we left the store, my friend said something, and it was actually quite peculiar. He said, because we are confident and we can make jokes and play around with things, it wasn't actually awkward. Like, I'm telling you the story in a funny way, but the thing is, the actual situation, it was funny. Like this wasn't some awkward thing. Imagine if we weren't social and I was. Imagine if I scanned the card and I was like, oh sorry, and I tried to insert and sorry, let me get a different sorry about this. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Imagine if that's what was happening, where we weren't making jokes, we weren't loud and confident and flashy. We were just anxious, and our card is getting declined, and people are looking, and everyone probably thinks I'm poor, and I'm holding up the queue. It's annoying. Oh no, this sucks so much. Why is this happening? Okay, please card, please work. We are confident, and because of that, we can basically control the situation. This situation that would be the bane of someone who's socially anxious. It was like a pleasure. It was an opportunity for us. This was actually fun. I was making the cashier laugh. We were all making all of these people laugh. We were in queue. It wasn't anxiety inducing at all. Being social allows you to avoid embarrassment. Being confident makes going outside fun. You don't need to worry about being anxious, having to be like embarrassed in these situations because you can avoid it all. Just because we were confident, it was fun for that to happen. If that hadn't had happened, I would have just paid for my stuff and left. We wouldn't have gotten that like funny experience. In a way, I'm kind of grateful for it. Now we have like a video idea. It was this funny thing that happened. We went to church. It was great. You gain so much freedom by being confident, by being able to just express yourself in the way you want to. You start seeing the world in different lights. In my mind, I wasn't thinking that everyone else is like looking at me like I'm a broke person. Because I'm confident, I don't care. In a way, you kind of like, in a way, you need this level of like psychopathy where you don't care what other people think. If you do, I would have been so anxious if I cared what those people think, but I didn't. And because of that, I was confident and I made them laugh and everything was funny. You gain so much freedom, you gain so much happiness. People are drawn to you because they gain energy from just your pure existence. So if you want to learn to be confident and you want to learn to like make friends who are also like this, it's so much easier to be confident when you are hanging around people who are confident as well. If you want to learn how to be confident, if you want to learn how to make friends who are like you, who want to like be more funny, charismatic, talk to women, just like have people around them, you can check literally any video of mine because it goes in depth on how to learn to socialize. And if you want like a more structured course in becoming more social and confident as quickly as possible, you can check the top link in the description. It's a social protocol and you will become more social than ever before. It's like this program where there's a community of people who are like you trying to improve. There's also weekly calls with me. There's like an entire course to get better at socializing. Check that out and I'll see you in there. Remember, consistency is over a lifetime. Bye bye.